This is a Ford Transit Connect 2016. Customer complaining with a loud noisy when you change it for gears, pulling through a junction, change it from 1 to 2, and in the motorway. As you can see, already removed the draft shaft. The draft shaft is here. Find out the inner receiving joint here. It's got excessively clunk. I'm gonna put the phone down and show you guys the noise. Hopefully that'll help you guys with your other Ford Transit. Look at that. This is the noise he's getting. Here we have the inner receiving joint. Here we have a newer one. The newer one is here. Look at that. There's no, I'm turning that upside down. New one, no noise at all. There you go. Hope that help you guys with your Ford Transit Connect.